I'm willing to resign, to be jailed, to be exiled if mali yung present ko, or at the very least if I intentionally misled anyone. Lahat ng present ko is based on fact, based on actual numbers. No? The numbers we've given, none of them was fuzzy math or creative math. None of them were plucked out. Ito official government statistics, and we're willing to deal with it. It is our job to give an accurate report. That's what we give it. Will they believe it? It's up to them. Will they not believe it? But we gave our side. And then we opened it up to investigation. What we realized is that one side of the story lang ang sinasabi doon sa Human Rights Council, doon sa Europe, sa Northern America, no? Meaning naunahan tayo ng lahat ng deaths na to ay dahil dito sa war on drugs, grabe yung abuse, strongman rule, etc. No? So I'm not saying that we convinced them that it's not so, but we open their eyes and mind and heart that there's two sides to the story,